Hey guys, it's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with an important video that I need everybody to listen to real quick. I just released the December Q&A answers parts 1 and 2, and I noticed that some of you have already looked at that. I would like to say thank you for the ones that have already starting to view it. And I really appreciate the clarification on some of this stuff because I really wasn't sure. Uh, it's better to say that you're not sure than to not answer it. And this is what's part of the rail fandom community is for people coming together and helping ones that are not familiar with some territories. And I would like to thank those who have, and somebody already private messaged me about that, and I thanked him very much. Uh, so all of your help has been greatly appreciated. Uh, I'm not saying I ran into this problem. I'm just saying it is a problem that can be prevented. When you're looking at a video and especially this where your answers are popping up, please do not spam the comment section. Uh, I'm sorry, something is in my eye. But some people ask me what is spamming. It's just when you repeatedly put comments throughout the comment section. I'm not saying I recently had this problem, but it is a problem that I just need to address. This not only goes for the Q&A videos, but it goes for all the videos on my channel. Please do not spam it. That reduces the chance of somebody else putting a comment in. And please don't get upset if I am not familiar with something or if I have not watched something on like the Q&As, for example. If I have not watched a movie of some sort, please don't get mad at me for that, because if somebody doesn't like something, it means they just don't like something or they just don't prefer it. So I'm sorry that computer went to sleep, but please do not spam the comment section, and please don't be upset when someone says no to an answer. Uh, some new rules are going to be coming out February, March, and even April as well. So there are a lot of new rules get ready to be changed with this. I'm not saying I had somebody else get on was doing this. I just would like to say this is a problem that can happen and it can be prevented. So from now on, with not only the Q&As, answers, and all this other series that I do, please do not spam the comment section. Now, for the Q&A prompt, it's different. There's once again with that, there's no limit on questions, but just being mindful of the other users. But when it comes to the Q&A answers and all the others, and all of the other series like the truck videos and the train videos, please don't spam the comment section. Please remember to be considerate of other users to leave comments as well, because it allows people to come in and watch the video and leave a comment for themselves. So I just thought I would like to go ahead and make this rule clear so everybody can understand we're on the right page. And I'm sorry that I have to keep tightening this up, guys, but I'm just trying to prevent a lot of problems that could happen. And tighten up the rules now could make the difference later on. So I appreciate you guys understanding this and for also abiding by the new guidelines that recently came out the last couple of months. And there are a couple of new rules ahead of us. So please continue to come back for the Q&As, guys. I got one coming out every month. So if you miss 1 month, hey, the next month you can always add something in. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch all of my videos, and please check out the videos I got out, and I am having some new videos coming out probably after New Year's to clean out 2019 and even into 2020. We'll really get started with the new year. So I hope you guys enjoyed the videos for the year, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in 2020. All right, guys, peace out, and may God bless.